Fine lines, wrinkles, dull tone, loss of firmness are signs of cellular fatigue. Introducing Youth Q Serum, a multi-peptide age reprogramming formula powered by hexapeptide. Helps to reduce wrinkle depth. Copper Tripeptide. Helps to boost collagen, elasticity, and cellular renewal. WK-PEP-M 3000. Helps to smoothen skin texture and reduces inflammation. Glycolic Acid. Helps to exfoliates, refines tone, and enhances radiance. CICA and Chrono-Shardy. Strengthens the skin barrier and helps to protect against oxidative stress. Youth Q Serum is recommended for fine lines, wrinkles, photo-aged or dull skin, dehydration-induced aging. Youth Q Serum, a more than anti-aging formula.